The world's fastest phone has finally arrived. Behold, the Red Magic 7 is here to unleash the true power of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. I've been using this phone for about a week now and it has the potential to be the gaming phone of the year, especially with that $599 starting price. Before we dive into the gaming action, let's take a look at the unboxing experience. Taking a look at the box, we have a custom gaming look to it as expected from Red Magic. Now inside the box, we have some paperwork, a custom case built for Red Magic 7, a 65-watt USB-C charger with its built-in cable, no need to buy it separately, and then finally we have the star of the show, the Red Magic 7 in this custom pulsar color. It's got a super gradient look going on, which is a proper gaming treat. Now let's first talk about the design of the phone. Again, it's a classic Red Magic design language, signifying its gaming-centric look. It actually comes in three variants: Supernova, Pulsar, and Obsidian. I really like this Pulsar color, but I gotta say, all three variants have a proper gaming aesthetic. Now, as expected from a gaming smartphone, this phone is completely built to handle those extreme long gaming sessions. We've got proper cutouts to manage heat, dual speakers, 3 mics, and even a headphone jack. We've got glass on the back and aluminum frame on the sides for that premium in-hand feel. Now, taking a look at the display, this is a 6.8-inch screen, pretty large, with a full HD Plus resolution, and of course, it's AMOLED. It is insanely smooth thanks to its 165Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate. This thing is incredibly snappy. If you want to customize the refresh rate, you have all the options available. Now, it's rocking Android 12 right out of the box with custom Red Magic 5.0 gaming software enhancements. Under the hood, we get the best performing Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, which is clocked at 3 GHz with proper cooling. Like, this is the highest performance I have seen out of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 on any smartphone right now, the highest benchmark in Geekbench 5, and of course the highest with the Antutu benchmark. Now, this high performance is all thanks to Red Magic's extreme cooling solution. It even has an additional air duct on the back cover to ensure 35% airflow, which helps even more to cool this phone. Plus, we have 16 gigs of RAM on this thing, and if you want, you can go all the way up to 18 gigs of RAM. Now, taking a look at the gaming performance, I've played Call of Duty, PUBG, and Genshin Impact, all the famous games out there, and this thing runs all those games without any problem. As soon as you launch a heavy game, the fans automatically kick in to ensure a cool experience. I will say that the fan noise is a bit noticeable. Again, this is something expected from a beast gaming device. Now, for a console-like experience, my favorite feature on this phone is the 500Hz shoulder triggers. These shoulder triggers are fast and have a powerful response. This really improves the gaming experience, especially for the FPS titles like Call of Duty and PUBG. Again, they are fully customizable depending on the game. The GameSpace 5.0 has a built-in screen recording and screenshot functions, plus custom notifications so they don't interrupt you while you're gaming. There's also a built-in Magic GPU which enhances the game's FPS by 60% without increasing the power consumption. Overall, the gaming experience on this phone is pretty damn good. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm personally not a huge smartphone gamer, but this thing has clearly pulled me into this world of mobile gaming because it's that good, and especially at this affordable pricing. Now, this thing has a 4500 mAh cell with 65-watt fast charging. As for the battery performance, it can go up to full day with medium to high usage when you're playing games and of course using social media apps. If you use this device more like a phone, like just using social media apps, then it can even go beyond 1 day. Now, probably the least exciting part about this phone is its camera, which is again pretty understandable because it is a full-on gaming device, but we've got a decent 64 megapixel main camera. It even comes with a night mode, so overall it's not a bad camera, but nothing really special. Overall, the Red Magic 7 is a beast of a phone. My god, this thing truly brings probably the best mobile gaming experience right now in 2022, especially at a very good starting price of $599. Again, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.